Welcome students. Now let us see some important MCQs of contracts and accounts. Course code is 22601. It is for 6th semester of civil engineering group. Now topic 1 is PWD, that is procedure to execute the work. Then question number 1 is what is PWD? Uh, Public Works Department, it is PWD. For the construction and maintenance of public works, the government has formed various engineering departments. This statement is true or false. This is a true statement. Which engineering department mainly deals with the building and road? Building and construction department, it is mainly deals with building and roads. Then next question is which engineering department mainly deals with dams, canals and navigation? Irrigation department, it is deals with dams, canals and navigation. Which engineering department mainly deals with water supply and sanitary works? Environmental engineering department, it is deals with water supply and sanitary work. Then which engineering department mainly deals with the water supply and sanitary work? Electric board department, it deals with water supply and sanitary work. Then next is which statement specifies the work of PWD? PWD, it deals with the construction and maintenance of public work. In organizational structure of PWD, which stage is being consulted by the government directly? Secretary to government, it is consulted by the government directly. In organizational structure of PWD, supervisor assigns the work to whom? Supervisor assigns the work to junior engineer. Then next question is who submits the budget proposal to the government in respect of all original and maintenance works? Chief engineer submit the budget proposal. Then what are the function of superintending engineer? Function of superintending engineer is administrative and technical control of the circle, inspect work in his circle, arrange procurement of stores. These all are the functions of superintending engineer. Who keeps himself informed about progress of work in his work? Superintending engineer. Then next question is superintending engineer reports to CE, that is chief executive. Which one is the task of executive engineer? To exercise effective supervision on the work in his division, it is task of executive engineer. In minimum what span of time an executive engineer inspect the offices of the AE, SDO and SDE? It is at least once a year. This is the span of time. Then next question is what is the full form of SDO? SDO means subdivisional officer. Then next is what are the duties of AE, SDE and SDO? It checks works in progress, then maintain construction account, then physical verification of measurement of books. All these are the functions. Then who arranges stock for works? Subdivisional officer arranges stock for works. Then next question is who prepares all the estimates for all type of works in the section? Junior engineer prepare all the estimates for all types of works in the section. What are the functions of junior engineer? Supervision of all his works uh, in his charge, then maintains attendance of departmental works, carries out half yearly checks of all stores in his charge. These are all the functions of junior engineer. Which governments run department which look after construction of public utility service? PWD department, it looks after construction of public utility service. Then next question is how much amount of a superintendent engineer can sanction? 15 lakh of this is the amount of superintendent engineer can sanction. What percentage of expenditure can be exceed more than the expected proposal? Then each PWD has a chief engineer. This statement is true or false. This is true statement. What are the methods of contract? Atom rate and atom plus fixed percentage, both first and second, are the methods of contract. Then in which type of contract the actual amount of work as per unit rate quoted is paid? Atom rate contract. In this type of contract, the actual amount of work as per unit rate quoted is paid. In which type of contract there is possibility of unbalanced tender? Atom rate contract, there is possibility of unbalanced tender. Dash, it is method in which only rates are agreed for a specific work without any reference to the total quantity or time period. It is piecework agreement. It is the method. Then next question is piecework agreement. It is used for what? It is used for work up to 2000 and urgent petty works. That means both A and B. Dash, it is a procedure of costing or valuing an atom on the basis of actual labors and material required for works. Day work method, it is the procedure. Example of day work method is various plaster designs, underwater works, and teak wood polishing. These are the day work method. That means all three. In which method the department purchases directly from the supplier? Departmental method of employing daily labor. It is the method. Then powers sanction to executive engineer is up to 10 lakhs. Power sanction to chief engineer is full power. Then power sanction to superintending engineer is 25 lakhs. Type of work executed by PWD are major works, minor works, and repair works. That means all these three. Which method is used for ornamental and decorative work? Day work method, it is used for ornamental and decorative work. The next question is which method is used for earthwork in excavation? Piecework method is used for earthwork in excavation. Daily wages in the method of valuing work on the basis of time spent by laborers. Whether this statement is true or false, it is true statement. Then which method is suitable for repair and maintenance work? Piecework method, it is suitable for repair and maintenance work. Which form maintains the labor record in daily labor? It is form number 21. Dash method, in which the contractor has to obtain quotations for various material required for the work. It is day work method. Then next question is in which method payment is made after completion of work? In piecework agreement, payment is made after completion of work. Initials disposal of unserviceable stock, tools, and plants in the form of survey report. It is junior engineer, it initials disposal. Then next is the purchase of livestock, NIR 40,000 at only one time. It is the false statement. Who carries out field survey of proposed projects and ground tracing of structure on the ground? It is duty of junior engineer. Who arranges stock for work? Subdivisional officer arranges stock for works. The next question is in the rate list method, maximum limit of cost for individual worker is 3K, that means 3000. Then dash type of method is adopted when quantity of work for any particular atom cannot be defined or measured. Day work method, it is the type of method it is adopted. In daily labor system, laborers are paid weekly, fortnightly, or monthly according to the requirement. Whether this statement is true or false, this statement is true. The next question is in PWD, who is the primary disbursing officer who is supplied with check books on the district treasury of India? It is divisional officer, which is not a transaction type of public work office group under credit heads. The latrine seat with flushing cistern, flushing pipes are etc. are usually taken dash set for estimation. It takes equal set for estimation. Then next is the area of sloping surface of a protective embankment of mean height d and side slope s. 1 and L is length L is what? It is LD 1 plus S2 up, 1 by 2. The for 100 square meters cement concrete 1 is to 2 is to 4 centimeter thick floor, the quantity of cement required is what? It is 0.94 meter cube. The next is the measurement is made for work stone work in square meter in case of wall facing. Next part we will see next MCQ.